Welcome to Summarize Science. Today, we're looking at a fascinating question. Can the most advanced AI models beat the world's best young programmers in a head-to-head competition? Researchers have created a new, incredibly difficult benchmark called LiveOIBench to find out. Previous AI coding tests have become too easy, with top models acing them, so a tougher challenge was needed. LiveOIBench uses 403 problems from 72 real-world Informatics Olympiads, which are like the Olympics for competitive programming. These problems require not just coding skill, but also creative algorithmic thinking. The researchers tested 32 different large language models to see how they'd perform in this high-stakes environment. This chart shows the main results, plotting each AI's performance against the thinking time it took to solve a problem. The undisputed AI champion is GPT-5. As you can see from this table, it achieved an impressive 81.76th percentile ranking compared to human contestants. This means it performed better than about 82 out of every 100 human participants, which is a very strong result. It even managed to win gold medals in 50% of the contests it was evaluated on. However, it's not ready to claim the top prize just yet. The very best human contestants, the ones who consistently win these Olympiads, typically place above the 90th percentile. So, while GPT-5 is a formidable competitor, the elite human mind still holds an edge in creative problem-solving. Among the open-source models, GPT-OSS 120b was the strongest, but it still trailed significantly behind the top proprietary models like GPT-5. So where exactly do these powerful AIs fall short? The study found that models are great at tasks that involve straightforward math or implementing known patterns. However, they struggle significantly with problems that require more creative or complex reasoning, like dynamic programming and tree-based algorithms. These are areas where a novel insight or a clever trick is needed to find the optimal solution. Interestingly, the researchers also analyzed how the models think. They found that stronger models, like GPT-5, spend more of their effort on initial analysis and structured planning. Weaker models tend to jump around more, exploring different paths without a clear plan, which is less efficient. Essentially, the best AIs succeed by thinking more strategically, just like the best humans do. So, let's recap the key takeaways. First, a new benchmark, LiveOIBench, gives us the first true comparison between AI and elite human programmers. Second, the top AI, GPT-5, is a powerful competitor that can reach the 82nd percentile, but it has not yet surpassed the top human champions. Third, AIs are still weaker at problems requiring deep, creative reasoning and on-the-spot ingenuity. What this means for the future is that we now have a clear roadmap for improving AI. By focusing on the types of complex reasoning where humans still excel, future models can be trained to bridge this gap. This research doesn't just measure AI, it shows us the next frontier in building truly intelligent machines. Thanks for watching Summarize Science.